Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Android widgets effectively. So Android widgets can significantly enhance your smartphone experience by providing quick access to applications and live data. And this is how you can use them effectively. So first, I'm going to tell you what is widgets. So widgets are small interactive application interfaces that display real-time informations or shortcuts directly on your home screen. So for example, it includes the weather updates, music controls, or to-do lists. So adding widgets to your home screen is pretty easy. You can just long press on an empty space on your home screen, just like this, and then tap on widgets on the menu that appears. And here you can just browse to the list of available widgets from your install application. You can just drag your desired widget to the home screen and place it where you prefer. For example, I'm going to add this weather widgets to my home screen. You can just drag it just like this and it will be added on the home screen within seconds. You can adjust the size and also the position to how you like it, and you can customize widgets for better use. You can resize it by doing it like this. You can also just some widgets allow customization such as selecting themes, refreshing intervals, or linking specific app section. And for the placement, you can position widgets strategically for easy access, such as pleasant weather widgets at the top of task list near your time zone. And you can also choose the right widget for your workflow. For productivity, you can use calendar, task managers, and note attacking widgets. So for example, in here, I'm going to add the notes. This one, keep notes. You can just choose the appearance just like this. For example, I'm going to go with this quick capture. You can click on add widget, and then it will be placed on your home screen. You can adjust the size and the positions to how you like it. And you can also add widgets for communication, quick access to messaging apps like WhatsApp or email that will save your time. You can also add music or podcast widget for one-tap playback control. And you can also use widgets for utilities like weather, this one, flashlight or battery monitors that are handy for quick updates. And you can also you need to, because widgets can drain your battery if they frequently refresh, so you need to minimize this for optimizing better usage. You can use widgets sparingly and avoid data heavy widgets like new feeds or large photo galleries. You can adjust refresh setting where possible. And you can also use stack widgets if supported. Some Android devices will allow a widget stacking, so you can place multiple widgets on top of each other and swipe to switch between them. You can also explore a third-party widgets. You can just check on the Google Play Store for KWGT. It will create a unique widgets with your preferred design and data. And there's also Super widget for advanced customization and theme. You can also combine widgets with smart home shortcut if you have one, like Google Home or Smart Things. And don't forget to regularly update and remove unused widgets. So if you want to add and remove the unused widget, you can just long press on it and tap on remove. And don't forget to experiment with layouts. You can combine widgets and app shortcuts to get a functional and visually appealing layout. And you can also use a wallpaper that complements your widget design for a pleased look. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.